All right, so got the bike out. Gonna go for a little bike. Not sure how long. Maybe like 30 minutes out, 30 minutes back, something like that. Okay, so I found another gear. This bike seems to only want to be in one, like the second to largest chainring in the front. And on the cassette, I was able to get to the biggest one, so it looks like I'll be able to go faster than 12 miles an hour. So yeah, maybe we'll just time lapse it up, something like that. We'll see also how fast I can go on this. The seat's it's a little bit high for me, which I certainly could adjust, but it's not too bad. Yeah, not a bad setup. The wheels are pretty big, tires are pretty wide, but I think I can go pretty fast on it. We'll see what we can do. Let's just go for a high speed test right now. '21. Let's start at 22. Oh yeah. Got 23, baby. All right, commenced time lapse mode. I brocketed my glasses. They scraped off somehow when I put them in the bag, I guess. So that bike ride was 11.34 miles, average just under 15 miles an hour. Shows you how big of a difference a bike, but also like wider tires can do. So yeah, we're gonna go walk on the beach. A little bit rainy. What'd she say? Hello. Sorry.
What did she say?
No, the guy said something. The girl wanted to high five, but I don't want COVID.
I was gonna say, I don't high five in COVID time.
That's what I was gonna say. I was like, I don't high five anybody now. Like, I really
you
don't.
You would high five me.
Right. And I would high five somebody that I know was vaccinated, but Caroline's got her rain gear on.
It's really hot.
I was gonna say, it's gotta be super hot.
Why did I think this was a good plan?
Like it makes more sense just to get rained on. Like, you still have to wash your hair when, like, you haven't washed your hair since you were down here, so like, it probably makes more sense to just...
Well, should I put it back?
How hot are you? I mean, attractiveness wise, you're really hot, but you know.
Yeah.
We've made it to the beach, obviously, as you can see. It's about a quarter-mile walk from where the condo is, so nice and easy walk. And we're probably just gonna walk around the shore a little bit. It's currently about 5 o'clock, so we'll have dinner at like 6:30. And yeah, go for a nice little walk here. Right now we're at 0.3 miles. Hello friends. Super close. Hello. Bye. Hello, friends. walk on our jaunt on the beach is just about over, just over 3 miles. And finish that one. Just under a 5K. 130, hour 33 minutes. It is now 5:27, so I'm gonna get showered up and then ready to go to dinner. Dock Ford's in Captiva, and get our rum on. All right, so we are now at Dock Ford's after like a 30-minute drive. Let's see if we can not get stared at and not get treated slightly poorly because of wearing masks. Caroline looks very fancy.
My mask matches my dress.
Super fancy.
I bet people will find that extra irritating. We like 3 free masks, and you got to pick your print. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna have it match my dress.
Did you get the dress from the same place?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
Yeah.
That would have been a nice coincidence.
Yeah.
Right.
Enjoy your dinner, guys.
Thank you. What was that about, Caroline?
My mask is pretty.
You got complimented on her dress. What just happened, Caroline?
I don't even know that I was complimented. I just noted that my mask matches my dress.
I'm pretty sure it was a compliment. Yes. Hers. What'd you get again?
Sanibel Sunset.
That looks wonderful.
It really does. I should take a picture of it.
This is a pure pressure?
Yeah.
So ginger beer, I didn't even read what was on it.
But it's like pure, like, just fun.
Yeah, it's really good. You must try it. Okay, so the peer pressure, cherry rum, raspberry liqueur, squeeze of lime along with ginger beer, and a splash of pineapple juice. Mahi mahi. Salad. Fries. What kind of salad is that?
Tropical salad.
You get the fruits and the vegetables.
Somewhere there's mandarin oranges. They're just hiding.
I think we can say I was clearly hungrier than you. Oh yeah. Show me what you got, key lime colada. Yes. To go cup, Caroline? To go? I polished those two off. I did like get it very like way before you.
Very lightly scented.
Okay, so Caroline got a lot of comments about her mask and her dress because they are matching. Who are they from?
Lily Pulitzer, but everyone thought I made the mask. I was like, I don't have time to make masks. Like, no.
But overall, dinner was really good. Mahi mahi was delicious. And
My salad was great. The rum drinks were great.
yes, indeed. Is Dock Ford's like your favorite place?
Probably. Yeah.
Because of the rum drinks?
Yeah, I really like the drinks. Someday I hope to try one of the rum flights because they're like rums from different parts, so probably
Right.
the Caribbean.
That's really all she wrote for today. So we'll check you guys later.